Everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at some reset settings options on your Garmin Instinct 3 Solar, and I'm going to be wiping it all the way back to factory default. So what does that mean? When you do that, it's going to delete all of your defaults, all of your settings, all of your activities, all of your user information, your Garmin Pay, all of that. You don't have to do that. I'm going to show you your different options. So we're going to press and hold the middle button on the left-hand side of the watch. When you hold it down, it will take you to your menu. Now you could use either the middle button again or the down button. I'm simply going to press the up button, the middle button, one time because you need to get to the bottom of your menu where you will see System. When we're on System, we're going to press the top right button to choose it. And then under System, again, you could use the up or down button. I'm going to press the up button. We need to get towards the bottom where you will see an option for Reset. We're going to press the GPS button, again, the top right button, and you've got some different options in here. So you could reset your default settings. Now, if you do that, it's going to keep your activity history, your downloaded apps, all of that stuff on there. The only thing it's going to do is reset the default values. So a good example of that is your barometer plot. If you have it set for 24 hours, it's going to reset that to the default, which is 6 hours. So that's what this option is going to do. Delete all activities basically means it's going to leave all of your settings, all of your defaults. It's just going to wipe all of your activity information off of the device. Reset totals will leave all of your activities, but it's going to reset your totals. So when you go look and see, how many miles have you gone, all of that kind of stuff under your totals, that's the only thing that would be wiped. The last option is delete data and reset settings. When you do this option, you're basically taking everything off of the watch and setting it back up to the way it was when it was delivered from Garmin. I'm going to press the top right button to do that. It's going to say, hey, listen, are you sure you want to do this? You can press the top right button to continue. You can press the bottom left button to back out. Or press the top right button. It says, listen, are you really sure you want to do it? You can do yes or no. You're going to go down to yes. Press the top right button, and it's going to begin the wiping process. Now, this part that you're seeing can take longer depending on how much information is on your watch. If you've only had it for a little while, you were trying it out, it wasn't for you, this is probably going to be pretty quick. If you're somebody you've had the watch for a year, a couple years, you've got a bunch of activities, you've got a bunch of downloaded apps from the Garmin Connect IQ app, this can take a little bit longer. So that's it. You can see in my case it was pretty quick. You should end up on a screen that looks like this, and you have successfully wiped all of your information. The watch is back to as delivered from Garmin. So now you can return it or sell it for sure if you're selling it to a different user. I'd highly recommend doing this, especially if you've got Garmin Pay set up on there. The last thing that I would recommend is on your cell phone, go to your Bluetooth settings and remove this device. The other thing that I would recommend is if you press and hold the top left button, you can power off the device. So if you're going to meet somebody, or for sure if you're returning it, you could turn it off so that whoever gets it next has to power it on to turn it on. That's it. That's a look at how you reset and wipe your Garmin Instinct 3 Solar. I hope the video helped.